Good evening, ma'am. This is our project Constraint Based Story Generation, and these are my team members Astos Raj, Rajat Kumar, Ayushka, Rishabh Raj, and this is Miss Sirsi. And we have like introduction, existing system drawbacks, problem statement, methodology, and demonstration video I've uploaded already, and tech stage contribution applications and results. So our project is basically we are generating the story on the basis of some images. Like we will have some constant like number of words should be in the story and what is the tone of the story, and based on the narrative constant. So basically that can be used for the some sort of story generation like educations and these things. And existing systems and drawbacks like pure text-based story generations is there. Like we will give the some text on the basis of story will be generated, random and uncontrolled narrative flow, and non-visual understanding, and limited to rule-based and simple neural models. So basically what is the drawback of the existing models? Lack of coherence in the long stories, inability to incorporate image context. Like we are generating the story on the basis of images, and some logic breaks are there, and something like we are providing the tones and narratives, these things. And basically what is the problem is statement. Already I have told that we are going to generate the story on the basis of some images, and basically we have given design a AI system capable of generating coherent, constant control and multi-image story integration. Like we will give multiple images on the basis of that images. Sorting will be done, and after sorting, we are going to generate the story in one theme. Like we will have multiple themes, so we will select one theme and we will generate the story. What the system will do first understand the images and extract the theme, extract the semantic meaning, like what the image is trying to say, like that is done by the captioning. And the sorting image means we will have multiple images, and we will select some sort of image in different category and some sort of image in different category, and generate a story meeting because these constant tone of the story, inspiration stories, and the sci-fi story and these things like there, and maintain the coherence across the paragraphs. This is our methodology. In our methodology, basically we have image pre-processing and the caption generation, embedding extractions, and after that if you will do captioning, then we will have some caption around every images. After that, what we will do basically embed these captions, and after embedding we will sort these embedded things and different clusters. For captioning we have used the blip model, and for embedding we have used the clip model, and for theme sorting we are using the k-mean clustering. And we have the constant, like our project is constraint based story generation. So we have a word limit, theme, tone, and the theme of the story. After that the story generation process had been done. So we have done the evaluation of the story, how good our story is going to be. So methodology continue, like what we have done, the image processing I have already explained. The image processing is done, converting the image to RGB, resizing 222 cross 222. All the images will be in same size, so image processing will be done easily, and generating of the captions will be equally processed for the all the images. After that we are doing captioning with the help of CPU acceleration, and embedded is done by the clip, and theme clustering is done. I came in, we are using the ML model came in on the basis of this is a unsupervised learning model, because we don't have any output at this time. We are only taking the images and try to categorize the image in different category. Okay, so after that we are going to use the Qwen 2.5 model that is running in my computer. On the basis of these embedded things and captions, the story will be generated. And I have already demonstrated the my models how it is running, and these are the some snapshots which I have taken after running the images. Like here it is taking the tone of the story, inspirational, sci-fi, and these things. And after that these things funny, dramatic, and romantic, and sad, and these are the story. And I've uploaded the some sort of images on the basis of images. These are the themes: theme 1, theme 2, theme 3, and This is basically the story on the basis of that. On the text state, what we have used, like we have used the Python and the PIL for the image processing, Transformer for the feature extractions, and OpenAI and the API for the story generation, and HTML is for the UI, and the AL for the configuration what we are going to do. And these are the contributions of my team members. Like the processing is done by me, and the clip model captioning is done by the IUC, and clip embedding is done by the Astos Raj, and the thematic clustering is also done by the Astos Raj, and story generation models is done by me and the Rishabh Singh, and evaluation matrix is also done by the Raja Singh, and the collaboration with the Rishabh Singh, and the stimulate UI is done by the Raja Singh and the IOC. These are the collaboration and the contribution of my team members. And the application of our project can be creative writing tools, children's storybook, and visual diary, automation, education, entertainment. Like we can generate the story like funny story, inspirational story. So these short story will be totally like we can say that this is a generated story. So can be used for little task, not very big task. These are the result of our project. Like coherence story referencing key object means that we are generating the story on the basis of the object which are present in our images, and we can change our tone with the help of user selection, like which type of story you want, and the word limit is also taken by the user. And the clustering improve the user native, like a user who wants which type of story he wants to generate. And in our model there is a high cosine similarity, like we are generating the image basically on the basis of content of the image. uh, th- this is basically the conclusion of our project. Our project is basically the integration of the multiple models, and theme clustering help the user interaction, and basically the constant generation is working well. And our model is basically the a combination of visions and the language AI, means we are generating the story on the basis of images, and this is basically fulfill the constraint of the narrative, like word limit, tone, and basically the theme of the uh, story. And this can be extend up to automated storytelling. Thank you so much.